What is up, everyone? It's JKV, and today we are diving into something huge. Want to make money just by using your phone and scrolling through social media? In 2025, the game has changed, and people just like you are turning likes, shares, and stories into real income. Forget everything you thought you knew because the old rules are out the window. This isn't some far-fetched dream. It's happening right now, and you're about to get the inside scoop. Stick with me for the next 10 minutes and I'll break down exactly how you can start making money on social media step by step, even if you have 0 followers. That's right, 0. We're not gatekeeping anything here. I'm laying it all out. The platforms, the strategies, the tools, everything you need to go from social media user to social media earner. But 2025 is a whole new ballgame, and the opportunities are bigger than ever if you know where to look and what to do. We're going to cut through the noise and give you actionable steps you can implement today. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll walk away with a proven roadmap to start your journey to financial freedom, all online. No more guessing, no more confusion, just a clear path to making money doing what you probably already do for fun. We're going to transform your social media time into a money-making machine. So grab a notepad, get ready to take some serious notes, and let's get this bread. Alright, first things first, you want to make money? You gotta know where to play. In 2025, not every platform is a goldmine. Some are good, some are amazing, and some are just meh. We're focusing on the amazing ones. Think of it like choosing the right fishing spot. You go where the fish are biting. And right now the digital oceans are teeming, but you need the right map. Don't just blindly throw your content everywhere. That's like trying to catch a shark with a net meant for minnows. Strategy, people, strategy. Let's talk Instagram and TikTok. These bad boys are still the kings of short-form video and connecting with massive audiences. If you're creative, can make engaging, quick content, and want to land those sweet brand deals, this is your playground. Brands are pouring money into creators on these platforms because the reach is insane. We're talking millions of eyeballs, and if you can capture even a fraction of that, you're golden. Plus, the built-in editing tools make it easier than ever to create something that looks pro. Then we've got YouTube Shorts. Guys, YouTube Shorts is exploding. Seriously, it's like a rocket ship to monetization. YouTube is pushing Shorts hard, and they're rewarding creators who jump on board. The discoverability is insane right now. You can go from 0 to hero much faster than with long-form content if you play your cards right. And the best part? YouTube is integrating more and more ways to make money directly through Shorts ad revenue sharing, fan funding, the works. If you're not on Shorts, you're missing out on a massive wave. Now, for a different vibe, let's look at LinkedIn. Yeah, LinkedIn. It's not just for job hunting anymore. In 2025, LinkedIn is an absolute powerhouse for B2B content. That's business to business and landing high-ticket clients. If you have expertise in a professional field, coaching, consulting, or offer services to other businesses, LinkedIn is your secret weapon. The audience there is professional, they have money to spend, and they're looking for valuable insights. You can build incredible authority and attract clients willing to pay top dollar. Don't sleep on LinkedIn, it's a money-making machine in disguise. So, Instagram and TikTok for that quick viral brand deal energy. YouTube Shorts for explosive growth and new monetization. LinkedIn for the serious, high-value B2B connections and clients. Each platform has its own flavor, its own audience, its own way of making you money. You need to think about what kind of content you want to create and who you want to reach. Don't try to be everywhere at once, especially when you're starting. Let's move on to how you actually get the money. Alright, you've picked your platform, or at least you're thinking hard about it. Awesome. Now let's talk about the money. How do you actually turn those views, likes, and followers into cold hard cash? There are tons of ways, but we're going to focus on 5 legit, proven paths that are crushing it in 2025. No sketchy stuff, just real strategies that real people are using to make serious bank. This is where the rubber meets the road, so pay close attention. First up, affiliate marketing. This is a classic, and it's still incredibly powerful. Here's the deal. You promote other companies' products or services using a special, unique link. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, bam, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Think Amazon Associates. You can recommend your favorite gadgets, books, anything on Amazon, or ClickBank, which is huge for digital products. The beauty of affiliate marketing is, you don't need to create your own product, you just leverage your audience and recommend stuff you genuinely like. Next, brand deals and sponsored posts. This is where companies pay you to talk about their brand, their products, their services. If you've built up an audience, even a small but engaged one, brands will be interested. They want access to your followers. This could be a dedicated video, a series of posts, a story shout-out. The possibilities are endless. The key here is authenticity. Only partner with brands you actually believe in. Otherwise, your audience will see right through it. But man, when you land a good brand deal, the payout can be huge. Then we have selling digital products. This is massive in 2025, and the profit margins are insane. What are digital products? Think ebooks, online courses, templates like social media graphics or video editing presets, stock photos, software, anything that can be delivered digitally. You create it once and you can sell it over and over and over again. The upfront work can be significant, but once it's done, it's almost pure profit. If you have expertise or a skill, package it into a digital product and sell it to your audience. This is a game changer for scaling your income. So those are 3 solid paths: affiliate marketing, brand deals, and digital products. Each one has its own pros and cons, its own learning curve. Let's get that cash flowing. Chapter 3. Build your personal brand. Become unforgettable. Okay team, listen up. You've got your platform, you've got your money path in mind. But how do you make people actually pay attention? How do you stand out from the millions of other creators? The answer is, build a powerful personal brand. This isn't just about having a cool logo or a catchy name, it's about crafting an identity that resonates with people, builds trust, and makes them want to connect with you. To make real money, you need to build a recognizable personal brand. This is non-negotiable in 2025. First things first, choosing a niche. You cannot be everything to everyone. If you try, you'll be nothing to no one. Pick a specific area you're passionate and knowledgeable about. Is it fitness, tech reviews, beauty tutorials, financial advice, gaming walkthroughs, cooking, travel? The list is endless. But you have to pick one. This focus helps you attract the right audience, people who are genuinely interested in what you have to say. A clear niche makes your content creation easier and your marketing way more effective. Once you have your niche, it's all about posting valuable content consistently. Value can mean a lot of things: entertainment, education, inspiration, solutions to problems. Whatever your niche, your content needs to give your audience something they want or need, and consistency is king. Whether it's daily, 3 times a week or weekly, pick a schedule you can stick to. Sporadic posting kills momentum and makes your audience forget you. Show up regularly and show up with quality. Next up, your online storefront, your profile. This means having a clear bio, a compelling call to action, and a recognizable profile picture. Your bio should instantly tell people who you are, what you do, and who you help. Your profile picture should be clear, high quality, and ideally consistent across all platforms. And your call to action? That tells people what you want them to do next. Visit your website, check out your latest video, download your freebie, optimize your profile. It's often the first impression you make. But a brand isn't just what you broadcast, it's how you interact. Engaging with your audience is critical. Respond to DMs, reply to comments, go live and chat with your followers. Ask questions, run polls, make them feel seen and heard. Building a community around your brand is what creates loyal fans, and loyal fans are the ones who will support your monetization efforts. Chapter 4. Use AI and automation to scale. Work smarter, not harder. Alright, this is where things get really exciting, guys. We're in 2025, and if you're not leveraging AI and automation, you're leaving serious time and money on the table. This is the secret weapon that smart creators are using to scale their efforts, save countless hours, and ultimately earn more. Forget grinding 24/7. It's time to work smarter, not harder. Let AI be your superpowered assistant. This chapter is all about giving you that unfair advantage. First up, let's talk content creation. Use tools like ChatGPT to help you write captions, video scripts, blog posts, email newsletters, you name it. Stuck for ideas? Ask ChatGPT to brainstorm content pillars for your niche. Need a catchy hook for your next video? ChatGPT can spit out dozens in seconds. This isn't about replacing your creativity, it's about augmenting it. Use AI to get past writer's block, to refine your ideas, and to speed up the drafting process. It's like having a brilliant co-writer on demand. Then there's video and image editing. Tools like Canva and CapCut have revolutionized this space. You don't need to be a professional video editor or graphic designer anymore. Canva has thousands of templates for social media posts, stories, thumbnails. You can create stunning visuals in minutes. CapCut is a super intuitive mobile video editor that's packed with features, making it easy to edit engaging short-form videos fast. These tools are often free or have very affordable pro versions. No more excuses for clunky visuals. Now let's talk funnels and landing pages. You need a way to capture leads and guide your audience towards your offers. Tools like Systeme.io or Linktree allow you to build simple funnels or a link in bio page for free or very cheap. You can create landing pages to collect email addresses in exchange for a freebie, or a page that showcases all your important links, your shop, your affiliate products, your latest video. This centralizes your calls to action and makes it easy for your audience to find what they're looking for. And one of the biggest time savers, content scheduling. Instead of having to manually post every single piece of content in real time, use scheduling tools like Metricool Later or Buffer. You can batch, create your content, film several videos in one day, write a week's worth of captions, and then schedule them to go out automatically at the optimal times. Chapter 5. Monetize intelligently with examples. Let's get that bag. Alright, this is the moment you've been waiting for. We've picked our platform, chosen a money path, started building our brand, and we're even using AI to work smarter. Now let's talk about how the money actually hits your bank account. Let's get specific with examples of how to monetize intelligently. Because it's not just about what you do, but how you do it. Let's break down exactly how people are turning content into cash, from $100 a day to $10,000 a month, or even more. Let's revisit affiliate marketing with a concrete example. Say you're in the fitness niche. You post a review video or a blog post about your favorite protein powder. In the description or article, you include your custom affiliate link to buy that powder on Amazon or the company's website. When someone clicks that link and makes a purchase, boom! You earn a commission, maybe 5 to 10% of the sale. If the powder is $50 and you get 10%, that's $5 per sale. Get 20 sales a day. That's $100 right there, just from one product. Imagine promoting multiple products. Now for brand deals. How do you find them? You can use platforms like FameBit, which is part of YouTube, BrandSnob, or Aspire IQ. These platforms connect creators with brands looking for sponsored content. Or, if there's a brand you absolutely love and think would be a perfect fit for your audience, don't be afraid to reach out to them directly. Send a professional email or DM with your media kit, a summary of your stats and brand. Example: a travel creator with 10,000 engaged followers might get paid $500 to $1,000 for a dedicated Instagram post and a few stories promoting a hotel or a travel gadget. Selling digital products. Let's get practical. If you're a graphic designer, you could create a pack of 10 stylish Canva templates for Instagram stories and sell it for $27 on Gumroad or Payhip. These platforms make it super easy to upload your product and process payments. You create it once and it can sell hundreds or thousands of times. A productivity coach could create a Notion template for goal setting and sell it for $49. A photographer could sell a preset pack for Lightroom. The possibilities are endless, and the profit margins are incredible. What about user-generated content, UGC? Brands are actively looking for UGC creators on platforms like Twitter, search hash UGC creator, dedicated UGC Facebook groups, or even by directly messaging creators whose style they like. Example: a skincare brand might pay a UGC creator $150 for 3 short video clips showcasing their product in an authentic, relatable way. The creator films it, sends it to the brand, and gets paid. They don't even need to post it on their own feed. It's purely content creation for hire. The amazing thing is, people are making anywhere from $100 a day to $10,000 a month, and sometimes way, way more, using just one of these methods consistently and effectively. Chapter 6. Your next steps to social media income. Alright, that was a ton of information, but hopefully your mind is racing with possibilities. Before you click off, quick warning. Here's what not to do. Don't buy fake followers. It absolutely kills your reach and credibility. Brands can spot it a mile away. Don't jump from niche to niche every other week hoping to find a magic bullet. Focus is key. Don't go months without posting and then expect your audience to still be there. Consistency builds momentum. And please don't promote random products just for a commission if you don't believe in them. Your audience will lose trust. Instead, be consistent. Always aim to add massive value and choose income streams that genuinely align with your niche and your brand. That's the sustainable path to success. So there you have it, a full roadmap on how to make money on social media in 2025. You don't need to be famous overnight. You don't need 1 million followers to start. What you do need is a clear strategy, unwavering consistency, and the right tools we talked about. Let's recap the critical steps. Choose a platform that fits you. Pick a smart monetization path. Build an authentic personal brand that people trust. Use AI and automation to scale your efforts and save time. And finally, monetize intelligently and ethically. It's a process, but it's a process that absolutely works if you put in the effort. I'm so pumped for you to start this journey. To help you get going, I've put together a free social media income starter kit. It's got checklists, resources, and some extra tips. Download it. The link is right there in the description below. It's completely free. And hey, don't forget to check out my next video where I break down exactly how I made my first $1,000 on Instagram. You won't want to miss that. It's coming up right after this. Click here or here. Thanks so much for watching all the way through. If you found this valuable, do me a huge favor.